Every day, over 3,000 lives are lost to car crashes globally. That's more than the population of some small towns, wiped out in a day. Imagine a community vanishing every 24 hours. This harsh reality underscores the global impact of car crashes and the incalculable value of a single life. It's a stark reminder of why car safety matters. It's not just about rules and regulations, it's about preserving life, our most precious asset. But the good news? Most of these accidents are preventable. Car safety is not rocket science. It begins with simple steps that each one of us can take. Consider the humble seatbelt, a simple strap that can make the difference between life and death. It's been proven time and again that buckling up dramatically reduces the risk of fatal injuries in a crash. Next, let's talk about speed limits. They are not mere suggestions, but laws designed to keep us safe. Speeding is one of the leading causes of accidents. By simply following the posted speed limits, we can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. And then there's the mobile phone. It's a great tool, but not while you're driving. Distracted driving, especially texting while driving, is a major cause of accidents. It's simple: when you're driving, just drive. Remember, safety is not just about you, it's about everyone else on the road as well. Beyond the basics, there's more you can do to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. One such method is defensive driving, which involves anticipating potential hazards and making safe, well-informed decisions. It's about being aware of your surroundings, predicting possible scenarios, and responding promptly to avoid accidents. Another crucial aspect of advanced safety is maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. This allows ample time and space to react if the car in front suddenly brakes or changes direction. Remember, the faster you're going, the longer it will take to stop. Last but certainly not least is the role of vehicle maintenance. Keeping your car in top shape is instrumental in preventing accidents. Regular checks and timely repairs of brakes, tires, lights, and other vital components can significantly reduce the risk of breakdowns and collisions. These measures are not just guidelines. Consider them as the golden rules of driving. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Make it a point to not just understand these safety measures, but to put them into practice every single time you get behind the wheel. And remember, safety isn't a solo mission. Pass on this vital information. Discuss it with your loved ones, your colleagues, anyone who drives. The more people who know, the safer our roads will become. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's make our roads safer, one step at a time.